Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see how to make French toast. It's easy and you always can make under 5 minutes. This is simple and delicious and everybody love this French toast. Welcome to the channel. Food is a God gift. This is your channel. It's a variety of a global cuisine. We love to make all type of dishes in detail and just for you friends. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and click that red button and the bell button to get everyday notification of new recipes. Friends, to make this delicious French toast, you need a 4 sliced bread, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You always can use any type of sugar. Pinch of nutmeg, 1/4 cup of milk, and fruits for toppings, powdered sugar and butter. So let's see how to make. So take a bowl, or I have one deep dish, so I just crack the egg. So this is so simple friends. All you need are the ingredient. We have bread in the house, egg and milk. So it's so simple. Just add the egg and just give a nice whisk. It should be not to be perfect. Just add a pinch of salt. So salt can bring all that sweetness from the sugar. So just beat it quickly. I'm adding the light brown sugar. So you always can use any sugar. So I just use the nutmeg. Nutmeg is just give nice hint of the flavor. So I suggested you guys should try that nutmeg flavor in this French toast. So friends, I just quickly and dip all that egg mixture. So that is the trick. I don't like my bread too soggy. So that's it friend, it's just quick. I just add that butter. So now I'm just going to toast each side about 1 to 2 minutes. So let it toast nicely. So once it's toast, it's going to be nice golden brown after 1 minute, and we're going to flip over. So it's up to you. Some people like crispy and toasty bread, so you can cook more time. So I like to have my bread little bit brown, so I just toast about 1 minute each side. So it's so quick, you can make it under 5 minutes. Kids love this French toast. It's sweet, it's soft, it's so good, and you always can have it for breakfast, and you always can make a dinner dessert. You can have with a scoop of ice cream. It's just perfect with this quick and easy recipe friends. So friends, French toast is a very classic recipe. It's being made from many centuries from Roman empires. So friends, this is never end. Even now we love this French toast. So friends, let's see how to make this plating. So I just have some fresh fruits, strawberry and blueberry. So just plate that French toast. So this we can serve for 2 people. So I just have made the strawberry flour and some blueberries on the side, and I just dusted some powdered sugar. So it's so beautiful already. It looks so nice, and you always can give for your special person as a breakfast. So friends, I hope you like this recipe. It's a quick and easy, and you love this easy recipe. No time, you can make it at home, and you always can make with your kids. Kids love this French toast all time. So I have some maple syrup. I also drizzle on the top, so it just give a nice sweet flavor. It's optional, totally optional, so you always can avoid it. It's the bread itself so good, it's sweet already. So but if you eat with the maple syrup or honey or any favorite syrup, it goes so well. Caramel sauce or chocolate sauce, it goes so well friends. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Before you leave, please subscribe our channel to get every day new recipe, and don't forget to click that bell button. Thank you.